Do you know about world's tallest statue?
World's tallest statue is Statue of Unity.
The Statue of Unity is a colossal statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India and the chief adherent of Mahatma Gandhi during the non-violent Indian independence movement.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was highly respected for his leadership in uniting 562 princely states of India, with a major part of the former British Raj to form the single Union of India.
It is located in the state of Bharat, India. It is the world's tallest statue, with a height of 182 meters. It is located on a river, facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam, on River Narmada in Kevadia colony, 100 kilometers southeast of the city of Vadodara and 150 kilometers from Surat.
Let's fly and see on Google Earth.